Hello, welcome to CAD in BIM. My name is Lucas Chacha. I'm a civil engineer by profession. In this channel, we train civil, structural, and all other construction professionals. So here is a 32-story building, an apartment, so to speak, which we are modeling and doing it in ProtaStructure. So I just want to take you through the design process step by step. So if you're really interested to learn this, or maybe you want to do practice or to practice along with us, with me here is the architectural template that I'm going to leave in the description below, so that if you need to practice along with us, you can always download. Besides, if you also have maybe some similar task, maybe of this magnitude, you can always be confident to share with us so that we can actually help you do the structural design and analysis. So this is the architectural templates, and these are the plan layout. As you can see, I'm just demonstrating to you what is there so that you can actually see it vis-a-vis what you have just modeled. So it's not a very easy task. It requires a lot of engineering and a lot of critical thinking on how you maneuver in the modeling. So if you really want to understand ProtaStructure in conjunction with AutoCAD, then this is the best place you can learn it actually, or you can get a good consultation or a professional consultation in that regard. So let me just show you our DWG drawing. This is the DWG drawing of the floor plans that you have seen. And for our case here, we just decided to do our general arrangement plan from the second floor because it was not proper to do it at the basement level because we didn't have the walls, or we didn't have clear guidelines on how our walls are likely to run on the surface. So we opted to avoid using the basement, and actually we did our general arrangement from the second floor. And just to show you that the architectural plan didn't come with any column suggestions. So this is just our creation or what we actually did. So you can see how we are in. These are more of columns. At the same time, they are going to act as shear walls. So having shown you that, allow me to just show you our model, how we just began. So if we go back to ProtaStructure and then we just come to here, we just come to recent project and then we just click on this. Yes, here it is. So you can see we have actually named this from basement 4 to basement 3. So I'll also show you how maybe you can rename this your floor. So that's easy. If you want to go to the 6th floor or to the 27th floor, you just click here. Because sometimes if you leave it just written as stories, it might be confusing. And because you are dealing now with a very massive structure, it might not be easy to maneuver. So I would like just to show you that we actually model the second floor. You can see this is our second floor. Let me just go to our second floor. Here it is. So this is the second floor that it's in conjunction with what I'm just showing you here. Yeah, this is how our general arrangement. And remember that also our grids are not vertical. Some of them are oriented. So we have all tricks to do our vertical here, grids, and even as you can see in the architectural model, in the ProtaStructure model, I'm just showing some of the key technicals that we will be facing as challenges. If we go to the plan view, you remember that I've just said that we just did our general arrangement drawing at the second floor, then we duplicated it to the ground floor, and then we start modeling floor per floor. So let me just go to the plan view and I try to show you something on issue of the grids. Grids also will give you a bit a challenge. As you can see, we have you have to introduce maybe some grid at some points shortly so that you can be able to model these shear walls, because you cannot model any elements, any structural element in ProtaStructure without actually defining the grids. So just define your grids. So I'm just showing you what was done. You can see all what we have here is similar. So modeling this with this grid, you can see our grids how they look. They are not actually vertical. So at time you might rotate them, at some time you might offset them. So these are a bit tricky and challenging design. So I'm asking that you subscribe if you find this going to be helpful with you, so that whenever we just drop something in regard to some of these models that you are working on, you actually benefit from. Remember that this is actually a real project that is to be implemented, and we are looking forward to bring the best out of it, and we'll actually be showing you the entire process. So you are here to actually fully benefit in this channel. So remember to actually like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get your feedback. So I'm just again showing you the last time. You can see this model, how it looks like. This is the lift. These are the columns in this domino, so acting as the shear walls. So in that process, let's simply come to AutoCAD once more, to our general arrangement drawing, and you can just try to see what we have here. You can see these are the staircase here. We have some staircase here. That's what I mean. We have these columns. As you can see, this is like a stair, but it's field called staircase. And as you can see, all what we have here, we have actually duplicated in ProtaStructure for design. So if you are looking to practice along with us, please download the link below, and let be free to consult with us or to come for mentorship or training sessions that we offer here in CAD in Beam. Thank you so much, and let's meet in a subsequent videos.